Releasing the self-myofascial release with a foam roller for your back feels amazing and is a great way to keep your back healthy and strong. We want to begin by placing our foam roller right above our lower back. We don't want to start at our lower back. We don't actually want to place the foam roller at our lower back at any time. I'm going to place my fingertips behind my head and I'm going to bring my elbows in towards each other. I'm going to take a deep breath and I'm just going to roll down any areas that feel like they may need to loosen up. I'm going to roll back up. Remember, we're not going all the way down to the lower back. Oof, and breathe. I'm dropping my head back. And now I'm going to roll through and I'm coming through to the shoulders. This feels amazing. I'm sitting here for a moment. Breathe. Coming down a little further. Good. Any areas that you feel tension. And then I'm just going to roll through the upper back, through to the shoulders. And breathe. Now to release myofascial tissue in our left, I'm just going to turn to the side. I'm placing the foam roller right underneath by my shoulder blade, and I'm just going to roll back and forth. I'm extending my arm and rolling back and forth, and just any areas where there's tension, just applying pressure. I can feel that loosening up, and then I'm going to roll it back and forth. And you can do this. Applying self-myofascial release is such a great tool and easy to do. You can do this while maybe you're watching television, you're watching a movie, and you just want to loosen up after a long, hard day. Pull out your foam roller and just start releasing that tension in your body. You'll see a difference when you sleep. You see a difference as you're walking around throughout the day. It feels great on the body. It fires up that nervous system. It gets that muscular system ready, and it gets the body prepared for your day to day.